It's been said that 80% of success is showing up, and by attending today, one achieves tomorrow. We've asked Ms. Danielle Rivalici, assistant principal at the Lawrence Middle School, to share some startling statistics on school attendance, the importance of showing up, and some interventions to ensure that students do.
Thank you, Meredith. Not surprisingly, being present matters. Data shows that 1 in 4 students is chronically absent from school. That means they miss 10%, 18 days or more of the school year. While 18 days might not seem like a lot, chronic absence has a ripple effect on a student's life. It affects academic performance and social emotional health, putting students at higher risk for academic failure, poverty, and dropping out of high school. At Lawrence, our mission is to ensure that all students avoid these hurdles and reach their highest potential. We encourage students to be present daily and on time, but we need parents' help. Often, as students enter the higher grades and become more independent, parents may not be aware that students are arriving late to school or skipping classes. When that does happen, administrators address the matter with the students. Additionally, we attempt to reach out to parents and/or add notes to progress reports to share our concerns if poor patterns emerge. Communicating with parents is important because we know that they play a pivotal role in their children's educational journeys, serving as advocates, supporters, and partners in learning. Let's keep the communication flowing in every direction. Parents, we will let you know, and your children know, when absenteeism or lateness might be a problem. Similarly, we would appreciate hearing from you if your child is absent due to illness or other extenuating circumstances, or if you learn of issues your child may have with attending school. Simply call the main office to alert us if your child will be absent and have your child bring in a doctor's note confirming doctor's visits or extended absences due to illness. The negative effects of missed school days build up one absence at a time. Conversely, our goal is to help build strong foundations brick by brick so that each student is on a path toward a successful future. Together, we can help to ensure your children are present for their education and taking every opportunity to achieve their educational goals.
Thank you, Ms. Rivalici, for being present with us today and sharing important data on school attendance. It's clear, minutes matter. Parents, it's never too early to help your children establish good attendance habits, and it's never too late to change poor ones. For those who might want to keep track of their children's attendance and much more, on a regular basis, the Lawrence District has a tool called the Eschooldata Parent Portal that enables parents to do so. To explore this further, TNN's Lucas Martinez will be speaking with Lawrence's Director of Academic Affairs, Mr. Bill Moss, who will demonstrate how parents can navigate the parent portal.
Thanks, Meredith. Mr. Moss, thank you for talking to us today about the eSchool Parent Portal. I know that encouraging good attendance is a big mission here for you and all the Lawrence administration.
Thank you. Yes, that's true. So I'm happy to be here to introduce the tools we have available to help parents keep on top of attendance and other data about their children.
Could you explain what the eSchool Parent Portal is?
Sure. The eSchool Parent Portal is a secure, user-friendly online system designed to help parents and guardians monitor their child's academic progress and school attendance. It provides transparent access to real-time data directly from the school's student information system. While progress reports and report cards give parents a glimpse into student achievement quarterly, the Parent Portal offers the ability to access up-to-the-minute information about students.
That sounds very helpful. Where can parents find this portal, and is it easy to use?
The portal is simple to use. Parents just need a device with an internet connection. The portal can be found right here on the lawrence.org district website under the Parent Resources tab on the right side of the page. Once in the portal, parents can click on the link to register for this secure site. After parents register, they can access the portal at their convenience anytime. There's also a link right here for any additional registration questions parents may have.
Could you tell us about the other students' data besides attendance that are available on the parent portal?
Sure. In addition to comprehensive attendance monitoring, the portal provides report card access plus exam and assessment scores. Parents can access any of the major sections easily using this portal navigation bar. A nice feature is that users can select to view information in languages other than English.
The portal certainly looks user-friendly and full of information at one's fingertips. Thank you so much, Mr. Moss, for demonstrating the eSchool Parent Portal.
You're very welcome. Thanks to the team at TNN for helping us share this valuable resource. Educating students is a team effort, and we all root for student success. Toward that goal, the Parent Portal helps foster better communication, engagement, accountability, and collaboration between parents, teachers, and schools. So I'm pleased to help promote it.
Back to you, Meredith.
Wow. In the words of former President Kalam of India, the wealth of information available at the click of a finger amazes me. In this volume of parent engagement videos, we presented the impact of school attendance and navigating the Eschooldata Parent Portal. Data is essential in education for evidence-based decision-making, allowing educators to personalize learning, identify student needs in real time, and improve instructional practices. So it is important, as well, for parents to have it available at their fingertips. Please be sure to click on the Parent Engagement link where shown in this video, or go to the Lawrence.org website for more detailed information on topics discussed. And as always, parents can feel free to reach out to administration, teachers, and/or guidance counselors for assistance at any time. Thank you for watching and for all you do. Stay tuned for our upcoming segment of parent engagement videos due to be released next month. Together, with parents as partners, the Lawrence District aims to build strong foundations for its students. Success is in the reach of every single learner.